Today I'm going to talk about the difference between the Neocutis Lumière and the Lumière Firm. You are probably familiar with the Neocutis Lumière. It's an amazing product by them. It's their eye product, and it's been around for a while. They have recently come out with the Lumière Firm and also the Lumière Firm Riche, and this product is going to be replacing the Lumière product. So you may be wondering, what is the difference between these products? Maybe you're thinking, oh my gosh, I've used Lumière for years and now they're gonna make me switch to something else. Well, it's actually great news. It's an amazing new product. So we're gonna talk about what the difference is between the Lumière and the Lumière Firm, and then Lumière Riche and the Lumière Firm Riche. So the original Lumière includes hyaluronic acid, caffeine, and growth factors to reduce lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Lumière Firm has all of these ingredients, plus it has a proprietary blend of peptides that make it really the ultimate anti-aging treatment. You may have also heard of the Neocutis micro eyes, and maybe you've used this before. The Lumière Firm uses a similar proprietary peptide to the one in the Neocutis micro eyes that stimulates elastin and collagen production to help with anti-aging. So Firm is really a combination of the Lumière and the micro eyes. So you're really getting the best of both worlds here. You're getting everything all in one. Originally, Lumière was made for those more at the beginning of their anti-aging journey. So customers who are a little bit younger and just starting to notice those signs of aging around the eyes. Micro eyes was made for more mature skin, people a little bit older who were further along in their anti-aging journey. Now, since Lumière Firm combines the best ingredients of both of those, it's great for everyone of all ages. Anybody can use it, and you get kind of double the benefits because you're getting the ingredients from both of those products. There have been some great clinical trials with Lumière Firm. Consumers are consistently seeing results in as little as 14 days. That's huge. Start using this and you can start seeing differences around your eyes in 14 days. I am one of those who used Lumière and I loved it. I rave about it to everybody. It is one of my favorite eye creams. And I switched over to Lumière Firm and I love it as well. I think the results are better. It feels just as good. It goes on extremely nicely. It's hydrating, it's rich. And then if you want even more hydrating and rich, you can get the Riche version. But same great feel, but it has those added ingredients. So everybody is going to be really, really happy and satisfied with the Lumière Firm. Again, eventually they're going to be phasing out the Lumière Riche, and the micro eyes and the micro eyes Riche, and they're going to be going to just this one product which combines all of the great ingredients in the Lumière Firm. So you can shop for this at DermWarehouse.com.